You can build your system based on two fundamental mathematical laws that are undisputed and proven. With backtesting, you can do a few thousand trades in a very short time, and that will give you results that you can believe in. If you change something, you might achieve a result that might be different from the previous one. Each position that is open will influence the complete system and all the positions that follow. Now here is the best thing about automated trading. Once you have automated something, it is easy to make a few changes and do a strategy test. I do extensive backtesting, but that doesn't mean that I can predict the future. I believe in probabilities. If I need improved results, I will then change one thing. For example, I will change the take profit point value from 20 points to 30 points. And that will create a different result. A human trader can't do a few hundred or even a few thousand trades in a short span of time. At some point in time, I started to build some small and simple examples with just a few lines of code. Those examples could do only one thing, like calculating the profit or the loss for a trading account. When nothing happens, that is when you are unsatisfied and trade something stupid just because you are bored. Maybe you are what I call a hope trader, hoping that something will somehow make you a profitable trader. If you don't have a lot of trading statistics, I would suggest using diversification to collect this kind of data as soon as possible. Christopher Columbus missed his destination by several thousand miles, and if his ships had been taken by a storm, nobody would even talk about him. If you think you miss potential profits by being careful, think about it this way. If you can make it through the first 6 months with a demo or cent account, you have surpassed 8 out of 10 fellow traders. Your car is an automated system that contains parts that work together. Some financial industry companies survive because they know how to survive financial crises and get support from the government. To find a market advantage, you do 10 strategy tests or so, and afterwards you repeat that with the opposite settings. Let's talk about the false conception that people have about automated trading systems, okay? They think they can predict the future. It is possible to automatically trade one or even several positions exactly according to the defined rules. Improve your results and your chances to make a profit with automated trading. You never know when the next financial crisis is going to hit the market, so how should you decide if you want to trade? A good recipe is a good way to get the result you want. A good recipe is easy to follow. And a good recipe has all the parts you need for a good outcome. Do you think a cent account is helpful to improve your results? Yes, that will make it easy to avoid manipulations, because now you are not a victim of your own fear. You might already have made good profits, but you never know what is going to happen in the future. With a simple, automated trading system, it is no problem to do backtests for 200 trading years on a single rainy Sunday afternoon.